Meaning of glamour model.
Glamour model.
Glamour model.
Glamour model.
Glamour model. A glamour model is a type of model who specializes in posing for photos that emphasize their physical attributes, such as their beauty, curves, or sexuality. These models typically appear in men's magazines, calendars, and online content. Unlike fashion models, glamour models usually don't wear designer clothing or walk on the runway. Instead, they often wear lingerie, swimwear, or provocative outfits that showcase their bodies. Glamour modeling can be a lucrative career, but it also comes with controversy due to the objectification of women and criticism for promoting unrealistic beauty standards.